uniting talents from around the globe, breaking new ground, building on Swiss ingenuity to lead the industry, and combining high-quality craftsmanship and expertise to create value for our customers. This is what DNE is about. There are many ways to get the job done, but only reliability and quality ensure it is always done well. Shenzhen DNE Laser Science and Technology Company was founded in 2008. Over the following years, branches were established in Shanghai and Beijing, as well as sales and service offices throughout China. DNE Laser applies its R&D, manufacturing, and sales expertise to offer its customers high-quality sheet metal cutting, tube processing, bending, and automation solutions. With high-quality development as our goal, we joined Bystronic in 2016 and became a wholly owned subsidiary of the Swiss Technology Group in 2020. In addition to greatly benefiting from the Swiss expertise, DNE Laser is embracing this new start with a fresh look. We stand for world-class quality. To achieve this, we established special R&D teams that collaborate closely with the rest of the group. Drawing on our core know-how in the field of laser technology, we lead the market, integrating technological innovations, science, and precision manufacturing into the development, design, and manufacturing of all our products. In order to continue to drive forward our research and development in the field of laser cutting, we maintain our innovative spirit while constantly enriching and improving our products and their performance. We strive for excellence, creating high-quality solutions based on our core expertise and earning the trust of our customers in the field of metal processing. We apply a strict quality control system to guarantee our high-quality metal processing systems offer our customers maximum process reliability. We constantly improve every detail and control every process to ensure that the performance and quality of every system that leaves our factory lives up to our high standards. In the pursuit of 100% customer satisfaction, we offer our customers highly efficient and high-quality products and automation solutions. We have inquiring minds and apply the highest standards to all of our R&D and manufacturing processes. We support our customers with technical know-how and customized solutions. By offering them inspections, testing, and other services, we help our customers get the most out of their systems. Our one-on-one training helps our customers' operators to quickly master all the relevant skills, ensuring they can use their systems correctly and efficiently. Our highly qualified after-sales service team rapidly responds in the event of issues to ensure our customers achieve maximum productivity. Driving forward innovation, we do all we can to create value for our customers. We constantly strive to integrate our products and solutions in an increasingly wide range of industries, including sectors such as metal processing, agricultural machinery, aerospace, elevator manufacturing, construction machinery, oil pipelines, and mechanical engineering.
我们将一如既往地坚持百超和百超迪能双品牌发展战略，加大在中国的研发和技术创新投入，充分发挥工匠精神，让百超迪能的产品在固有优良品质的基础上，进一步提高技术含量和性价比，高质量、全方位地服务好我们的市场和客户，赋能中国的智能制造。百超迪能是您最值得信赖的合作伙伴，我们永远在您身边。